Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can create a wallet on Tonkeeper. So let's get started. First of all, open your App Store and click on the search icon here at the bottom right. After that, go to the search bar and search for Tonkeeper and click on search. Then click on this Tonkeeper Ton wallet. Make sure it's created by Ton Apps UK Limited and make sure it's legit, and click on install button over here. I've already got it installed, so it's just written open, so I'm just gonna click on open. Once it's open, you can either import any existing wallet or you can create a new wallet. For example, if you don't have any existing wallet, so you can just click on create new wallet and set a passcode for it. You can set any passcode you want. And after that, you can write down your wallet name. For example, if I write my personal wallet and then type the color which I want for the wallet, and you can even type the any icon whichever you want, and then you can even add any emoji or anything which you want, and once done, just click on continue. It will take a bit time in order to create your wallet, but it will just be like merely 1 to 2 seconds. After that, you can see now that your wallet has been created, so you can just add or receive any amount to your wallet. So that was basically how you can create a wallet on Tonkeeper. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.